Hi viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore the fascinating world of gardening. In this video, we shall delve into the exciting world of indoor gardening and share some helpful hints for creating a thriving greenhouses in the comfort of your own home. Indoor gardening allows you to bring nature indoor and enjoy the benefits of gardening all year long. Whether you have a large apartment or a cozy little corner, so let's get started with these important indoor gardening tips. When it comes to indoor gardening, it's critical to choose plants that are well suited to the environment. Pots, spider plant, peace, lilies, and herbs like basil and mint are all popular choices. These plants thrive in low light environments and require little care. To ensure that the plants you choose will thrive indoors, research their lighting requirements, growth habits, and care requirements. Indoor plants require a lot of light, while all plants require light. The intensity and duration of the light vary. Determine the lighting condition in different areas of your home by identifying natural light sources. South facing windows get the most light, while east and west facing windows get moderate light. North facing windows typically provide less light. Examine your home light patterns and place plants accordingly to compensate for inefficient natural light. Artificial light such as a grow lights can be used. Watering indoor plants properly is critical to their health. Overwatering is a common mistake that can cause root, whereas underwatering causes plants to wilt and suffer. Each plant has different watering requirements, so it's critical to research and understand your plant's needs. Insert your finger about an inch deep into the soil to check the moisture level. It's time to water if it feels dry. Use pots with drainage hole and place sources underneath to catch excess water to ensure proper drainage. Indoor environments can drier than outdoor conditions, particularly in the winter. Put a tray of water near your plant or use a humidifier to raise the humidity level. Planting together can also help to create a microclimate that aids in moisture retention. Keep the room temperature at a comfortable level, avoiding extreme heat or cold. Plants should be kept away from draft and heating winds, which can cause temperature fluctuation. Dust plant leaves on a regular basis to allow them to breathe and maximize photosynthesis. To ensure optimal growth, indoor plants require regular feeding. Select a visual balanced water solution fertilizer designed specifically for indoor plants. Follow the package direction for the recommended dose and frequently fertilize your plants every 2 4 weeks during the growing season. Reduce fertilization to once a month or stop completely. During the dormant season, indoor plants benefit from regular pruning and grooming to keep their shapes and health. To prevent diseases and improve aesthetics, remove any dead or yellowing leaves. To encourage bushier growth, pinch back leggy stems, pure overgrown branches to improve airflow and light penetration. Grooming also entails removing dust from leaves and wiping them down with a damp cloth on a regular basis to keep them clean and pest free. Indoor gardening opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to enjoy the beauty and benefits of plants, regardless of your living spaces, size, or locations. By selecting the appropriate plants, assigning light conditions, providing adequate water and care, creating a suitable indoor environment properly, fertilizing and practicing regularly, pruning and grooming. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please give it thumbs up if you found it useful, entertaining or informative, and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.